In this video, I'll be showing you how you can book, cancel and manage your appointments here on MyJobsOnline. So there's a couple of ways of booking an appointment. You can click on this button here to manage all of your appointments, which I'll be showing you later on in the video. You can click on this drop down button here, which shows appointments, or click on search appointments. For this example, I'm going to click on appointments here. When it loads, you'll see a page here with different kinds of appointments. You can see that there's placement appointments with psychology, telephone careers appointments, video or mock interview appointments as well. For this example, I'll be showing you me booking a telephone careers appointment. So if I just click on view appointments, there'll be a list of appointments here that are available. You can have a look up to 7 days in advance of all the appointments that are available. You can see that it has the date, the time, the careers consultant and the location. Currently it's careers online because we're working remotely. For this example, I'll be using this one here, so I'm just going to click on book here and a little pop-up window comes. You can see the careers consultant that you've selected, the date and the time and the location. You want to select a reason here. If your reason can't be found on here, do click on other and write in the notes in a bit more detail about what you want to discuss. For this example, I'm just going to use CV check. I can write in here just to give a bit more detail to the careers consultant about what you want to discuss for your CV. So for example, you can also upload your CV here and then provide a telephone number here. Once you've done that, just click on book appointment. And you can see here that it's been booked there. So you can see the careers consultant, the date and the time and the location. You can see here it says the appointments which are online that would be based on campus. Going back to the main page, I'll be showing you the button that I spoke about earlier, the appointments button. If I click on this here, you can see now that if I highlight over this here now, you can see that it says I have one upcoming appointment. This is one that we booked just a moment ago. So I'll click on this and show you everything there in a bit more detail. Here you can see all the appointments that you've booked, ones that you've cancelled, and the ones that are coming up here. So for example, you can see here that I've got the appointment that I just booked a moment ago here, and it says the status is booked. So for example, if I've got a lecture coming up and I now can't make that appointment and I want to cancel it, this is what you do. So you can just click on the appointment here and it will load up, and then there's a button here that says cancel booking. Once you've done that, you can either give us a reason for cancelling. So for example here, you had to attend a lecture or tutorial, and then just click cancel and that will cancel the appointment. So you can see there it's now cancelled. If you do want to book an appointment, you can go via here as well. This will show up the page with the list of appointments there as well. If you do struggle with anything here on MyJobsOnline, you can give us a call on 0118 378 8359 or email us at careers@reading.ac.uk and we can help you book an appointment as well.